Okay, guys, welcome to the channel. We're out rolling in California, and I am with Kyle Bradshaw. If you know Kyle Bradshaw from Nelson Rigg, the one in the videos, that's him. Or if you know him from Mini Bikes, he's the one that does the tire reviews. Super cool tire reviews he does. So I guess we're going to let them. I should turn my signal on. I think Kyle could take him. I have to pull up here and tell him something. Hey, remember when we was kind of running down through there pretty good, and then we barely let off, but here come this crotch rocket. He's just idling by us like, yeah, probably laughing.
Probably.
What is that? Somebody done lost their bloomers. You don't want to lose your draws. So yeah, kind of weird seeing me in a place like this, especially in California. I mean, I had no intention of going to California, but it worked out pretty good. We've had a great time. I've spent some days with Kyle. We went to the adventure rally, went to his house, went and hung out at the beach, went and shoot some videos, went to the Nelson Rigg factory back there. Really cool. It's incredible. What a time I'm having. Good time. So definitely have to come back here again. Even though, you know, I'm not kind of not me riding into this kind of stuff, but mostly uh, the week has been riding off road at the adventure rally, which was really cool. So I basically, people will ask probably, did you ride your bike all out there? Oh no, absolutely not. I didn't ride this bike out here. I put it in the back of the Gladiator, have the step ramp, so I put it in the back of the Gladiator and hauled it. There ain't no way I was going to ride the bike that far. Now the Gold Wing, absolutely no problem. I'm going to get my wife and Cricket, our little Yorkie, get them loaded up, and it won't be too long. Hopefully we're going to come back out here so I can show her this. It's not that far. I mean, for me, it's on the Gold Wing, you're talking 7-hour and 15-minute drive or ride. Now that's not stopping for gas or brakes or nothing, but so even if you consider it being 8 hours, that's not bad. We've actually, on that one trip we took and rode 18 hours straight. Stop for gas, ride. Stop for gas, ride. 18 hours. So 8 hours will seem like nothing for us on that Gold Wing. So yeah, we're going to come out here and check the beaches out and ride up this Highway 1 some. Check it out. Pretty sweet. My clock here, the time changed here, so we're an hour behind. So my clock on my bike is wrong. It says 4 p.m. It's actually 3 p.m. Check out them ships out there. Looks like military battleships or something. I don't know what it is. Some kind of a ship like that.
You got a video of Naked Man?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't see that.
Oh, that dude on the bicycle is naked.
Damn.
Right there, Naked Man.
Maybe I'm glad I didn't see it. He's probably on the video.
Look at him, he comes right back right here. Here comes, hold on.
Oh my goodness. Well, he does have some kind of a Speedo on, but that's, I don't know. We'll just leave it at that. My gosh. Nasty. Here I was going to eat. That dude was showing off. Well, that's not good when you're going to eat something. He does have like a Speedo or something on.
I think he was wearing a pair of underwear, but
Oh, he was styling.
Alright, 0.8 of a mile on the right hand side, return into the parking lot.
Go with that. I think I should have went straight through that light.
Yeah, turn into the parking lot.
Yeah.
That's okay. We can go this way.
How far did you say?
0.8.
Oh, I thought it was further than that. I should have measured it.
That's all.
That was a boring way anyhow. That spot was made for us.
Good.
I didn't have a dang tape measure. Crazy Kyle Bradshaw.
Who's that guy? Alright, Frank, you have an hour to make it up to the Shake Shack.
An hour?
Hopefully.
Hey, man, grab a hold of that truck and do like Back to the Future.